Yeah, hello. Yeah, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name's remain the same, kind of rhymes. The co-founder of Rundel Technology Company. Yeah, so I want to show you something. But first of all, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because here we're talking about how to make money online, dollar arbitrage, and blah 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 blah. A lot to talk about, a lot, bro. Anything that can fetch you money, you talk about it. Yeah, so today I want to show you how you can buy USDT at a lower price and sell it at a higher price. Right now on Binance, USDT is what I think it's 12.55. And on XNES, let me check XNES for us to see. So on XNES, 1 USDT, let me see. 1 USDT is what? It's 12.42 Ghana cedis. So 1 USDT is what? 12.42 Ghana cedis. Yeah. And here, when you're buying USDT, it's what? 11.97. 11.97, but I can also show you how you can even buy it at a cheaper than 11.97. So please join me and let's watch from the beginning to the end so that you will understand what I'm trying to talk about. Yeah, so there are so many ways that you can make or that you can buy your USDT on this platform. So I'll leave the link of this platform in the description so that you can what check it out and enjoy. Yeah, so there are so many ways of making money on dollar arbitrage. And if you want to make money on dollar arbitrage, that means you have to find where there is opportunity, then you tap into it, then you go to a platform that you can make profits. I hope you understand it. So this is what I'm trying to tell you. You see, right now, let me take Remitano and Xness for instance. So Xness, this withdrawal. That means if I want to sell my Xness, that means $1 or $1 is equal to 12.442. And on Remitano, when I want to buy $1, I will spend, let's say, 12 Ghana cedis. That means I have 0.42. It's too small though, but I will show you how you can sell it at a higher price because it's not only Xnet that you can use to make this money. Now, we have Binance. Binance right now, p2p is 12.50 something, and we have Pax4. Pax4, you can search for a market that can sell it around 14 Ghana cedis, 15 Ghana, 16 Ghana cedis, depending on where you want to sell it. Yeah. So I'll show you where to sell it and when to buy it. So right now I'm about to buy USD at a cheaper rate, more than this one. I'll buy it more than this one. This one is 11.9, but I'll buy it more cheaper. So join me and let me show you. Yeah. So when you come to Remitano, we have P2P. But right now I'm not showing the P2P way. I want to show you the coin list and how you can buy it at a lower rate. So this is how you do it. So first of all, if you're in Ghana, or let's say if you are in any country you find yourself, when you open your Remitano account, you see that the first coin is your currency. That's what's your currency. You see, your first coin is your currency. Yeah, it's your currency. Yeah. So this coin, this where we want to make the money. This coin and this coin. I'm not talking about you, the Bitcoin. That's how I've logged the Bitcoin. That's not the Bitcoin I'm talking about. So this and this. So first of all, you have to deposit money in your Ghana Cedis accounts. I hope you're following the process. First of all, you have to deposit money in the Ghana Cedis account or Naira Cedi or Naira account or Ghana Shilling account or Kenya Shilling account. Is that thing? Yeah, that one you find it. Let's do it again. Let me go to Remitano for you. You see that my own is what? Remitano.com home Ghana. That means it's Ghana own. You can change it. But me, I'm in Ghana, so I'll be using the Ghana own. So this is it. If you're in, like, let's say if you want to join Nigeria markets, you go to, let's say, Nigeria. Let me just for Nigeria for you to see. I want you to see everything. Yeah. So Nigeria, you see Nigeria. So you see that the currency will change towards naira. You see, the currency will change towards to naira. So let me count down for you to see. Back. You see that the currency have changed to naira. So right now on this platform, the USDT rate is 1,396 naira. You see that thing? Yeah, it's naira. So I want to use my currency so that I'll be comfortable. Yeah, yeah. So this is how you do it. First of all, you go to my wallet. Then you deposit money into your local account through your bank or mobile money. Yeah. So after that, this is how you do it. You see that we have deposit, you have withdraw, we have detail, we have swap and thing. Then you swap it. You swap it. So there's no need for you to buy any USDT. You just what? You just swap it. Yeah. So when I come to the swap, the market price is what? 11.9724. This market price can change anytime. Yeah. But I will not buy it with the market price. So I'll buy it with my own price. So the own price, you can edit the price that you want to buy it 11 Ghana cedis. So let's say I want to invest 1,000. So because I'm buying it with a rate of 11 Ghana cedis, this the amount I'll be getting 90.56 USDT. Then I'll click on what buy. Right now I don't have any money in the account. That's why you said that you do not have any enough balance. Is that thing? Yeah. So I have to deposit money in the Ghana Cedis account. Yeah. But for tutorial's sake, I want to show you the easy way to make the money. Yeah. So you will not use the market price. No. You have to use your own price. And one thing about your own price, they'll review it. And the reason why I use 11 is that if you use 10, 10, 10, you see, it's like it's going forward. But if you use, are you using it? Oh, you haven't seen. So this is it. 11, 11.0, 12 points, 12.0. Yeah. Have you seen that the price, Ghana cedis to USDT price, the more it's going up, then the amount of USDT is what is decreasing. And this is where people get it wrong. Yeah. If you do something like this, Charlie, you're making losses. So don't focus on this year. Focus on the rate, the price rate. Because like if I come to the market, see that this is the normal rate over here. That's one USD is equal to 11.96. So if I'm investing 1,000, I'm getting what 82.86. It's that thing. Yeah, 82.86. So this one, it means that if you invest 1,000 Ghana cedis, you'll be getting 82.86 low. So let me take this one to Xness. Though Xness rate is very small, but let's something 82.86. 82.86. 82.86. It's 1,000. So it means that even if I'm doing Remitano to Xness, that means I'm earning 29 cedis per one trade. So imagine I have 10,000 Ghana cedis. So or doing 1,000 Ghana cedis 10 times. 10 times. So let me come here. So add another zero. 825.53. 825.53. 825. 825.53. So it means that I'm earning 254 cedis as interest. People be saying that, but this one is too small. Yo, bro, you have the money you invested there, and you have 254 Ghana cedis as profit, and you're saying it's too small just for one day. So you're doing this every day, and at times the rate will shoot up. And one thing is that exchange rate is very small. Yeah, exchange rate is very small. It's like one USDT is what 12.42, but you can Binance rate is very high right now. Binance rate is like 12.60 something cedis. It's Latin. Yeah, and Paxful 2 rate is very high. Yeah. So like even if you're doing Remitano and Xness, you're still making profits. You see that thing? Because getting 245 cities every day, let's say every day times, let's say 30 days, 30 days, 30 days right now. That's within a month. Within a month, let's see the money you'll be earning within a month. So 54 cities times 31 days and 31 days equal to. So a month you are earning 7,874 cities for 1 month too. 7,844 cities. 7,844 cities. 7,800 and what? 44 cities times 12. That's 12 months. That is 12 months. That's a year. So within a year, you're making 94,128 cities. So are you trying to tell me that this amount within a year is very small? You're making five figures, 94,128 Ghana cities within a year. Within a year. You see that thing? Yeah, though you'll be seeing that the interest is very small, very small, very small. But bro, it's not all that small. Doing this every day, like 10 times a day, every day, it's not small. Yeah, it's not small. It's not small. Yeah. So like this one, I did it with Xness. This Xness. Imagine if you have Binance account, you have Paxful accounts. That one, their rate is very high. You can earn more than this within that year or within that month or within that day. You see that thing? Yeah. So don't. And one thing about online is that don't focus on the much profit you be getting. The small one will accumulate and become huge. That's one thing about arbitrage. Like if you want a quick money, then online business is not for you. Then you have to try forex trading, something like that. Because this one, the profit you be getting is very, very small. But it's very lucrative and you'll be enjoying with it. It was like imagine investing $1,000, like $1,000 and be getting, let's say, $200 as interest every day. Though we think that is very small, but imagine within that month, a year, how much are you earning? You see, yeah, that's why I always say that if you want quick money, then online business is not good for you. If you want quick money, online business is not good for you. So have you seen that right now the market price have shoot to the top? Have you seen it? So if I go up, have you seen that it's going up? But if it's down, that is why I always advise you that buy small. You see, buy small. So 1,000. So if you buy 1,000, you use the 1,000, you can buy 1,000 again. Because the higher you are going, then you see that the rates will be going up. You see that thing? Yeah. That's one thing about Remitano. So you buy it small. Then you be going to the platform and making money with it. Because like the more you be adding the money, they will also add their own tax to it. Price impact warning. You see that in 4.03%. Yeah. So I would advise you that you have to buy it small. So if you buy 1,000, go sell it. You can buy 1,000, go sell it. You can buy 1,000, go sell it. You can buy 1,000, go sell it. That's how it is. Yeah, and you're making money from it. Yeah. So if you don't understand anything, you can leave a comment in the description, or you can join my mentorship, and that one I will guide you in your online business and make your online business successful. So you can join my mentorship at a low rate as 300 cities, and I'll guide you. Yeah, I'll guide you for you to make money online. So I'll leave the link in the description, my mentorship link, and the link of this platform too, and the excellent account too. I'm out. Thank you.